Scientific studies have shown that eyewitness identifications can be unreliable in some situations. But are juries allowed to hear about these potential problems through expert testimony? In State v. Young, we'll see whether experts could testify about the validity of eyewitness identifications. Arnold and Dionne Grayson were in a restaurant parking lot at night. Grayson and Arnold were putting gasoline in Grayson's car when a white car pulled up next to Grayson and Arnold. According to Grayson, a black man got out of the car, brandished a gun, and demanded that Grayson and Arnold hand over their wallets. Before Grayson and Arnold could comply, the gunman shot Arnold and Grayson. Arnold died from his injuries, but Grayson survived. A police informant later told the police that Sanchez Brumfield was involved in the shooting as a getaway driver. Police later discovered that Brumfield's cousin, Tracey Young, owned a white car. Young was arrested for shooting Grayson and Arnold. Around the time of Young's arrest, police showed Grayson a photo lineup, and she identified Young as the shooter. Another eyewitness also identified Young as the shooter from a photo lineup. At trial, Young moved to suppress the eyewitness identifications, but the court denied his motion. Young then filed a notice that he would introduce expert testimony that questioned the reliability of eyewitness identifications. The state of Louisiana objected, but the trial court ruled that Young's expert could testify and held that the expert testimony was admissible under the factors from Daubert v. Merrill Dow Pharmaceuticals. Young's witness was a psychology professor who testified that Young's case presented issues such as cross-race identification and gun focus that could have impacted the validity of the eyewitness's identifications. The state sought a writ from the Court of Appeals, arguing that the trial court abused its discretion when it admitted the expert testimony. The Court of Appeals denied the state's writ. The state appealed, and the Louisiana Supreme Court granted cert.